Hey foodies, welcome to the channel. Today we're making parmesan crusted chicken breast. We're going to be using some breadcrumbs. Let's lay out some of that on the tray. Let's beat one whole egg. I will set that aside and work on the chicken. We're using chicken breast to remove the excess fat, and we're going to butterfly it so it doesn't take a long time to cook. And we're going to be seasoning it with some salt, some pepper, and some garlic powder, and also some green seasoning. The green seasoning is optional, by the way. We're adding some flour, and we're going to dredge the chicken on both sides in the flour. So we start with the flour first, and then we transfer it to the egg batter. Make sure that the chicken is fully coated with the egg batter before we add it to the breadcrumbs. And I add some parmesan cheese to that breadcrumbs as well. We're going to be cooking it on the stove top, so we have a skillet pan. I'm using olive oil because that's my favorite, and I'm going to cook the chicken on both sides for 4 minutes. So we're going to turn this over after it's ready, and I'm going to continue to cook it for another 4 minutes before I test it with my improvised thermometer. So I want to cook the chicken to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. You have to have the experience to feel the temperature. So remove it from the fire. We're going to let this sit for 3 minutes before serving it, and I'm going to garnish with some chopped parsley flakes and sprinkle some lemon wedge on it as well. Guys, all the videos on this channel, the recipes are very simple, so you can follow for more. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next video, we're good.